Hello everyone, my name is Katie Hanks. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a tech tool you can use in your classroom to enhance your teaching and your students' learning. The name of the tech tool is called Crowdsignal. Crowdsignal allows you to quickly create surveys, quizzes, polls, and ratings to use with your students. You can quickly collect responses and feedback to help you understand your students and enhance your teaching. You will find this tech tool at crowdsignal.com. The price of the Pro version is $200 for 1 year, and there is a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied. This is the version that allows you to create the surveys, quizzes, polls, and the ratings. To begin to use Crowdsignal, you must create an account through wordpress.com. You can begin this process by clicking on the blue login link in the upper right-hand corner of Crowdsignal homepage. This is the page that you will automatically see when you type in Crowdsignal in your Google search. Once you've created an account and are logged in, you will first see your dashboard. This is what the dashboard will look like. The dashboard is where you can start to create any survey, quiz, poll, or rating that you would like. The dashboard is also where you can find all of the content you have created in the past. If you want to reuse a survey, quiz, or poll, or even a rating that you've created in the past, you can do that, and this is where you would find it. You can put them in folders, and this will help you organize everything that you have created. You can also star them, so you will remember which ones that you thought worked well and what ones did not work well. When you are creating the questions for the tools, you can choose from 4 different types. There's free text, the matrix, multiple choice, or ranks, which is using a star scaling system. To send out the surveys and the quizzes, polls, and the ratings that you create, you can use a direct link through email, and you can do that individually or obviously with multiple people as well. You can create a website link for people just to click on if they choose to take your survey, quiz, or poll. And you can also use it through an iOS device or any social media account. I would use Crowdsignal in my classroom to create quizzes for students to test their knowledge. I would also allow students to rate each of my lessons, activities, and exams that they partake within my classroom. I would also use it to create surveys to collect important feedback from students. This would let me know what they are learning or what they are taking from my lessons and my tests and what they still need help on. This would also allow me to make appropriate changes or accommodations to those students that may need the extra help. I would also have my students use it to create their own quizzes and surveys for certain assignments if I want to have them collect their own data. Thank you, everyone. I look forward to using Crowdsignal in my future classroom, and I hope you do as well. Thanks.